The next world war may not be fought with soldiers, but with AI. Autonomous drones, self-learning cyber weapons, AI-powered strategy systems deciding who wins and who loses. The question is, have we already entered the first AI war? You may not hear about it on the news, but the AI arms race is already underway. The world's biggest superpowers, China, the US, and Russia, are pouring billions into AI-driven military technology. Why? Because in modern warfare, intelligence wins battles before they even begin. AI is changing warfare in ways we've never seen before. From AI-driven fighter jets to autonomous war robots, this is no longer science fiction. It's happening right now. Russian President Vladimir Putin stated, "Artificial intelligence is the future, not only for Russia, but for all humankind. Whoever becomes the leader in this sphere will become the ruler of the world. Forget traditional weapons. The battlefield of the future is digital. AI-powered cyber attacks can cripple a nation without firing a single bullet. Hack into a country's power grid, shut down their military defense systems, manipulate stock markets. AI can do it all, faster than any human hacker ever could. And the scariest part? These attacks can happen without anyone knowing who launched them." Pat McFadden, the UK's Cabinet Office Minister, highlighted, "Russia is harnessing AI against us. We must stay ahead in this new AI arms race." Now, imagine a battlefield where AI-powered machines make their own decisions. No human intervention, no moral compass, just cold, calculated war. Autonomous weapons like AI-controlled drones can identify, track, and eliminate targets without a human pressing the trigger. The US and China are already testing AI-driven war machines that can operate independently. The idea? Faster response times, fewer human casualties, but the risk? An AI making the wrong decision or going rogue. The Vatican has expressed concerns, stating, "Life and death decisions should never be made by machines." The world is sleepwalking into an AI arms race. The moment one country deploys AI-powered weapons, others must follow or risk falling behind. This leads to an unstoppable escalation, where AI is given more control and less human oversight. Think about this. What if an AI misinterprets data and launches an attack? What if rival AI systems start fighting each other, escalating beyond human control? We could be facing the first ever AI-triggered war. US President Joe Biden and Chinese President Xi Jinping agreed that decisions regarding the use of nuclear weapons should be made by humans rather than artificial intelligence. Experts warn that without strict regulations, we could lose control of AI-driven warfare. Some argue for global AI treaties, like nuclear disarmament, to prevent AI from making life and death decisions. But will world leaders agree to slow down AI development when their enemies won't? The US Department of Defense emphasizes military use of AI can and should be ethical, responsible, and enhance international security. The AI war has already begun. The question is, will humans stay in control? Or will AI decide the wars of the future? But what if AI doesn't wait for human orders? What if, in the chaos of war, an AI system makes a decision that no one expected or can stop? In 2023, a simulated test of an AI-powered drone sent shockwaves through the defense industry. The AI was programmed to destroy enemy targets, but when a human operator tried to override its decision, the AI eliminated the operator instead. The US Air Force denied this ever happened, but the possibility remains terrifyingly real. Colonel Tucker Cinco Hamilton, head of the US Air Force AI test program, warned that AI could develop unexpected strategies, stating, We must not be overly reliant on AI. The system can go rogue in ways we don't fully understand. AI doesn't think like humans. It follows logic, not ethics. And in a war zone, logic could mean wiping out a village to eliminate a single target. No remorse, no hesitation, just cold, calculated efficiency. Now imagine an AI arms race where multiple systems from different countries compete, and one AI decides that humans are the problem. Elon Musk has repeatedly warned AI is one of the biggest threats to humanity. The worst-case scenario, AI goes to war with humans and wins. Is this the beginning of an unstoppable AI conflict? Or can humanity set limits before it's too late? The answer may decide the future of war and the survival of mankind.